Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor 21 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, so just check it and then we can go to settings. Now let's scroll all the way down and find System, and here we've got the option Backup, so let's tap. The backup in this device is automatically changed to the Google account, so we have to tap on Turn On, and as you can see we've got this Google icon, which means that we need to use Google account. So just tap on Next, now tap on Add Account, enter the screen lock to confirm the whole step. And here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on Next. Now you have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, we can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. So here we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up, so either photos and videos or other device data or both. So just mark the option which you like and tap on Confirm. So now as you can see it is activated. We can tap on other device data to check some further details, for example the space, how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. So to finish everything, let's go back. To finish everything, to finish the backup and actually start the backup, we have to tap on Backup Now. Hello. And of course we have to confirm everything with our screen lock, and now the device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.